Hello guys, welcome back my channel. Just some moments before SSC declared its notification all the examination calendars, and I am preparing for CGL, so my all concern is about to CGL and CHSL. And yes, I will also give MTS examination. So when it comes to CGL, the examination is gonna be happen in 13th August. It will start from 13th August and will be over in 30 August. So if I can take the day of 13 August, then there is barely 96 days are left. Though there is an happiness that the examination is delayed, but also still there is the thought like what if the vendor will change, and what if there will be different kind of questions like current affairs or some difficulties in English. What will happen if bank pattern will join in English? What will happen if current affairs are so much difficult, as I do not like to study current affairs? And there are a lot of thought because of the uncertainty of previous years. 2024's mains examination, when in 18th January this paper was so difficult and a lot of students face difficulties. So guys, I just don't want to look back on the thoughts like what happened pastly. My current focus is really on the 96 days because I'm so much motivated. I don't know how many of you are feeling similar to me, like, oh my god, calendar is there, clear goal 96 days, and you need to give your heart and soul, you need to put your all efforts in the examination. So guys, I want to tell myself that let's give it a try and give your best, because I'm already gonna be like 21 years old, so I think I need to crack it in every way to get out of all the problems. So this is the only thing for me to escape. So guys, let's not talk too much. Let me show you my strategy, like what I'm gonna follow. Okay, let me show you, and I'm gonna tell you that my English is okay because I have scored in previous year 45 out of 50. But when it comes to mathematics, I'm so weak at it. So I'm gonna start math from very basics. So let me show you what's my planning about in the 96 days. Let me show you. This is the basic structure. I will make another video where I will tell like what is my structure, what is my strategy according to the weekly basis. So I'm gonna improve my mock test. So let me focus now. 96 days are left. Some remaining days of the month of May, June, July, and 12 days of August. So in the first 30 days, I will focus on the foundation, because foundation is really important for me who just need to complete all the basics, because my math is so weak. So I will have the target of 6 to 8 hours to watching the videos, the basic videos from Maths Mania or Avinay sir, but I think I'm gonna follow Maths Mania. Okay, I will make another video about that. Then I will practice section and mock test from test book. And in the foundation, my main focus is gonna be like this one, basics of math, because this is so important for me. And I was like, in the previous year I was regretting too much that why I wasted so much time and I was not studying. So basics of math is really important for me, and I think I need to do it really because it's so important. And then I will go for the vocab. I have scored 45 out of 50 in CGL previous year, and I think like what really important in the case of English is practicing. I was practicing from Sanjay sir, Sanjay Thakur. So I don't know, no, this year I'm gonna follow what, but I really want to complete vocabulary. Previously I wanted to do it from the Kiran, but then I find some PDF like 200 PDF. I don't know, I will do it from Black Book or some PDF. I will tell you later on another video maybe. And GS, I was so regret in the previous year that I was not completing all the PYQ series 4. But there is a happiness, there is a peace, there is a joy in my mind that I have got another chance like Lord Krishna gave me, because there was a lot of regrets, like there is a lot of undoing thing that I want to do, like PYQ complete vocabulary like the bulky Kiran book 3000, or like completing all the Pinnacle books in math. So this was my wish. I think in the 96 days I can do. And there is another thing I want to do, like in test book you can say like 75 days channel. Oh my god, I really want to do the challenge, except GS, because when it comes to GS it's like very much bulky for me because I cannot revise all the thing. But when it comes to math, GK, math, English and reasoning, I can revise. So I really want to do the 75 days challenge in test book. Okay, so the first 30 days is gonna be the basics, totally foundation, and I think I will forgive myself if I will do any kind of mistakes because I know this time is just gonna for learn. So second, I will go for from day 30 to 60 acceleration, where I will focus mostly on the speed and accuracy. So I really like writing in a halfway because I can only understand. I'm so sorry for that. Speed and accuracy. This is accuracy, and because this time you need to really focus on that how much time you are taking. If you will start your examination by doing GK, then English, then math, then reasoning, I think you will get like 17 minutes for math, or if you were doing like so fast, then barely 20 minutes. So you need to focus really on your speed, and accuracy is important for the sake of normalization, as we have seen in the mains like 18th July, more like a horrified day. So it's you need to focus on the speed and accuracy. And also in the acceleration time, I would like to add the revision. Whatever I will study in the foundation, I think we need to revise the PYQ part 5. I mean, revision is important, those 30 lecture as per Mars are told, and then the vocabulary and basics math, and also practicing that. And also there I will solve Pinnacle books for both, for math and reasoning, and I will add on some GK things, maybe from the one-shot lectures, I don't know, the ideas of Parmar sir, or maybe from Pinnacle GS book. I was having that, but I really don't know. I think I'm too much. I need to complete first the foundation, and then it comes the last part, that is final sprint. So that's gonna be day 61 to 96. They are like more focused on daily mock tests. Another thing, that in the time of acceleration, I need to give mock in every third day and make sure that I'm analyzing those mocks, because without analyzing, mock test is like nothing but a waste of time. So when it comes to the final sprint, I will give daily mock test and analyze, and if I will have mistakes on percentage or trigonometry, I know that I need to do the things. I need to work on the weak areas, and as well as doing as much as revision in the strong areas, because if I will focus most in the weak areas, I know that I'm gonna forget the strong areas. Then I will go for exam bound study, like what is relevant to the examination, because one thing you can see that the SSC selection post will be before CG, like it will start from 27th or 24th July. I forgot the date, but I know it's from 24th July selection post. So you will get to know about the vendor. So there can be a thing like pattern thing, like maybe there slight change asking the question. So at the time you need to start after 24th July exam bound study, because you will able to understand that what is the exam perspective and challenges is coming with the withdrawal of TCS and maybe another vendor. So you need to really do the exam bound study, and at the time I will focus on mock test. I will rely on that and revision. So guys, this is my strategy, and this is my strategy I'm gonna follow. Another thing is that I have decided that I will do one thing, and that's gonna be, I really like to study on the mock test best, because when you are giving your PYQ mock test, you are understanding that what is relevant and what is not. So that's gonna be a thing. And second thing, that I will upload weekly long videos where I will tell you that I will make myself a weekly target. I will upload that this is gonna be my target, and I will upload daily vlogs, short vlogs, where I will share that. I think I'm telling you my personal goals, but really I would like to share these things, daily shorts, that did I studying or not, because it's gonna be a source of motivation. I have seen a lot of guys are doing, so I really want to upload these things. So guys, this is all the videos. So I think you guys are really prepared for 13th August, and maybe you guys can think like, I know that I'm not gonna give examination in 13 August because I really do not do filling the form in the very first Like, so all the time it's maybe 29th August for me or for you all, but still we can take a guess of 13 August. So be happy. Very good grand wishes for everyone's bright future. So let's see you all in the next video. Bye bye.